On the night of 16 April 2020, two holy men were attempting to sneak across coronavirus control lines to attend a funeral. They were turned back with their driver and drove through the small village of Gadchinchali. Unfortunately, nonsense rumours had been circulating in the village that bandits were in the area, spitting into wells to spread coronavirus and stealing children to harvest their organs. A lynch mob of locals attacked the car and the 3 people inside it were killed. Police were standing by when this occurred. They didn't do much to stop the killings, but they were heavily outnumbered by a murderous mob. In the aftermath of the incident, there was a great deal of political contention about the police conduct and an alleged cover-up attempt. Arnab Ranjan Goswami is a television journalist who ran a story whose thrust was to question the tardy investigation, inconsistent versions of the authorities and the administration and the state government's silence on the incident, including the glaring fact that the incident occurred in the presence of numerous police officials. In the days following the story, dozens of first information reports or criminal complaints were made to police in various locations regarding Mr. Goswami. He challenged those police complaints in the Supreme Court, arguing that they conflicted with his right as a journalist to freedom of speech under the Indian Constitution. The court found that the first complaint, and only the first, should be investigated, and it was not proper for a court to interfere with police investigations. However, their honours also said this: the exercise of journalistic freedom lies at the core of speech and expression protected by Article 19(1)(a) of the Constitution. The petitioner is a media journalist. The airing of views on television shows which he hosts is in the exercise of his fundamental right to speech and expression under Article 19(1)(a). India's freedoms will rest safe as long as journalists can speak truth to power without being chilled by a threat of reprisal. To allow a journalist to be subjected to multiple complaints and to the pursuit of remedies traversing multiple states and jurisdictions when faced with successive complaints bearing the same foundation has a stifling effect on the exercise of that freedom. In other words, using the criminal system to shut free journalism is inconsistent with rights protected under the Indian Constitution.